Hi, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to find friends' birthday on Facebook. You might be wondering how to find upcoming birthdays of your friends on the Facebook app. So, this video will help you to find them. Make sure the Facebook app on your device is updated, sorry. Then, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the search bar at the top right of the screen. Now, type the word birthday and tap on it. While on it, Facebook will show you the upcoming birthdays and list of friends who have their birthdays today, recently, tomorrow, and upcoming birthdays. So, Facebook has the option to check all your Facebook friends' birthday. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Bye.